96 units for you guys. A1, A3 का price is different now. We are officially launching Tower A2, which includes your 48 apartments of 2400 2392 square feet and 48 apartments of your 1769 square feet. Only just 96 units that is coming on board for you and for your customers. So MLP आप सब लोगों ने देख रखा है. I'll not talk about MLP anymore. बट कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं A2 टावर के कि A2 टावर इतना स्पेशल क्यों है. आप लोग सब लोगों ने अलॉटमेंट डे पे किसी से पूछा ही नहीं, मेरे से भी नहीं पूछा, अरुण से भी नहीं पूछा, पीयूष से भी नहीं पूछा कि आपने A2 टावर क्यों नहीं खोला. बिकॉज द बेस्ट वॉज केप्ट फॉर द लास्ट. अब आप पूछोगे इसमें क्या बेस्ट है. वीडियो प्लीज. The last tower, the tower A2. But I hope आप सब लोगों ने इस वीडियो को बहुत ध्यान से देखा हो. अगर नहीं तो I'll tell you the reasons that why A2 is so special. Why should you or your customer should buy now? Because last opportunity तो है. But उसके साथ में जो A2 tower के views हैं, it is totally aligned between A1 and A3. It is just in the center of the golf course. A2 टावर ही एक ऐसा टावर है जो गोल्फ कोर्स के एकदम सेंटर में लाई करता है. इसी टावर से आपको पूरा लेफ्ट एंड राइट हैंड साइड का पूरा गोल्फ कोर्स दिखाई देगा. यही एक ऐसा टावर है. इफ यू हैव सीन द अर्लियर वीडियो wherein we have shown the chakras, wherein we have shown the leaf design for our product. This is the only tower जिससे वो व्यूज भी आएंगे and this is the only tower जिससे आपको इन दोनों के साथ साथ में विवा टेरा 10 एकड़ के पार्क का व्यू भी मिलेगा. It means this tower is a combination of tower A1 and A3, which is tower A2. So it is well positioned, aligned in the middle of the township, in the middle of tower A1, A2 and A3. तो आपको proper 360 degree view मिलेगा, मतलब फ्रंट से पूरा व्यू मिलेगा, बैक से आपको proper 360 degree view मिलेगा for your city facing homes. Next is you get the view of Vivatera. We have seen lot of people who are asking about A1 में inventory हमें चाहिए because we get the Vivatera view also and we'll get the golf course view also. But this has an advantage that you will get a central golf course view as well as you get the Vivatera view. The next is the leaf design. the heart of crown. If you have seen the chakras, tomorrow please visit to our sales gallery. Look at the MLP. MLP से exact views is from this particular tower. And the last is your skyline views, the city facing apartments of 1800 square feet. And this is the only tower which has a combination of only 3-bedroom apartments. I have received so many requests during the allotment day or before allotment day that we want to buy 2 units of 2400 square feet. We are 2 brothers, but A1 में और A3 में it was not possible. Am I right, Utkarsh? He had a customer. He had 6 customers for this, wherein they are brothers and they want to buy the same floors. And there are father and son, they want to buy the same floors. But they didn't have a budget to go for a 4 BHK or 3 BHK. They wanted to buy 2400 square feet only. But उनके पास choice ही available नहीं था. But this is the option available only in Tower A2 now. Next is you get the massive lobby access of 5000 square feet. So how it is split? So basically there are 2 lobbies. A1 and A2 has a combined lobby and A2 and A3 has a combined lobby. So any customers of A2 अगर उसको जाना तो कोई भी lobby से होके जा सकता है. Eventually combine करके there is a 5000 square feet of lobbies there. If you have seen the walkthrough, उसमें actual renders थे lobbies के, वो stock images नहीं थे. So the next is unit level specification. So the specifications remain same for all our customers that we are providing VRV air conditioning. You get a fully loaded modular kitchen with hob and chimney. You get imported marble flooring in your living dining area. You get wooden flooring in all your bedrooms, and you get your video door phone system with your apartments. These are same what were there in tower A1 and A3. Now we move to the typologies. I hope everyone is aware of A2 के typologies क्या है? क्या typologies है? तो मैं बता दूँ, easy करता हूँ आपके लिए, life और easy. So A2 has a typology of 3 BHK, which is golf facing 1769, and 3 BHK large, which is 2392 square feet. But कोई change दिख रहा है आप लोगों को? What is the change? So guys, we are making your life more easy now. More easy for us to collect an EOI. We have reduced the EOI amount. Now for 1769, you have to just take 7.5 lakh rupees for an EOI, generating an EOI. And for 3 BHK large, which is of 2390 square feet, we are taking 10 lakh rupees rather than 12 lakh rupees. And from tomorrow onward, we are officially starting taking the EOIs for tower A2. So 7.5 for your city facing, and for golf course facing is 10 lakh rupees. So next is your offer. I think we are closing on time. No, it's already 10. So we'll wrap up fast. So guys, we'll move to offers now. So this is very important offer. ये बहुत लास्ट मिनट में हुआ था और ये बहुत सारे पार्टनर्स को नहीं पता है that initially when we sold Golf Links when 2016 में, so we took 5 lakh rupees from a customer for a 5 years of membership. But guys, on allotment day, we have actually taken 10 lakh rupees, which is a part of your prices जो हमने दिखाए थे, and it is your one time charges. 10 lakh rupees की charges आपके हैं for a golf course and the master club access. It's a membership fee. आपको one time charge पे करना है. इसके बाद आपके कस्टमर को कभी भी golf course access का या master club access का कोई भी चार्ज पे नहीं करना होगा. It is just a one time charge. You compare it to any golf course all across Noida, India. Lot of golf course will give you a waiting of 15 years, 50 years or 90 years. Delhi golf course has a waiting of 80 years. But if I go and apply, my kids will take an opportunity to play golf over there. 80 years, 90 years waiting है. यहाँ पे आज opportunity है 10 lakh rupees and it is a part of your cost sheet. This is no other charges. वो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा वो कट गया है, but it is written membership fee is included in the cost. There is no additional charges. But one time charge एक recurring cost होता है just to maintain very nominal fees that will be paid by a customer as part of the maintenance. But this is something very, very special. All brands access, all golf course access. Your kids want to play golf course. It is just you are paying once in a lifetime charge and you are through with this. हम 15-15 लाख रुपए कार पार्किंग में स्पेंड कर देते हैं, and this is something that we are giving to our family. So the next is the card swipe offer, that your customer swipes 5 lakh rupees, will give him 1 lakh rupees discount on the card swipe offer. And we have pay more, save more. We'll have an allotment day process. We'll let you know about the dates. That if your customer completes 10% on allotment day, we'll give another 2 lakh rupees discount. So what is the total? 3 lakhs. Now we move to the payment plan. So there was